right, Market Roadmap members. This is December 26th, 2021. Welcome to the day after Christmas. By next week, looks like we're going to be in the new year. This is the last Market Roadmap update for 2021. Next week will be the first one for 2022. Crazy, right? I don't know where the time has gone. So, let's jump into it here. Do something a little special this week. We're going to talk about real estate investment trusts. These guys pay high dividends, and they get some tax favored status and whatnot. If you're not familiar, Google it. Look up on Investopedia what real estate investment trusts are. They're high dividend payers usually. I've amassed a list here of different sectors and stuff, and we're going to run through and see which ones might be the best. These would be something you want to own shares in specifically, so you get the dividend payments. And you could just buy one share in some of these. So especially if you're just getting started, you're small. So let's see how we can apply the market roadmap to something different this week, and see if we can't come up with a list of potential things to watch. All right, so we're going to start out with Bxp Boston Properties here. Look, I mean, this is the pattern, right? Break up through, retest, retest. So we're looking at right above here would confirm the move. We're looking into a possible entry right here at 115. So this one, we're looking for this move right here. Breaking out higher would get us to some higher targets. Pull this down just a hair. Run off the swing high to the swing low right here. Yeah, this is looking super good. Could move up to 129, and the dividend payment that comes in here, paying 98 cents every quarter. That's a pretty strong one. So keep an eye on that one, or I would keep an eye on that one. Let's see. PLD not pulling back at all. Does pay a high dividend, 63 cents. But we have a bust up through and just no pullback. So moving on. Same chart. Same looking chart. MAA, just nothing, no pullback there. We are looking for a pullback. So SPG did pull back over here, but we've already run high, and looks like this move could be about, we're pushing some extremes here and getting the pullback. A little bit further pullback to the 140 area might get me interested, but right now I'm not gonna do anything with that one. HST, now this one does look a lot like the pullback we were looking for. It did pull back and run up higher and then pull back again. At this point, I would want to see something constructive to get higher prices here. Let's see what we got. Right at the resistance here at the 618. So a nice solid close right up in this area. Let me get the right tool here. Something above, kind of up in there, and then breaking on up to these higher prices around 20. I don't see the dividend payment information, HST here, but I'd keep it on the watch list. This one could, it's a fair return there. Almost 30%, looking like 20 was about 25% upside right there, getting up to 20 from 1750. So it's pretty fair, 20 to 30% return, just running up right there, and it's not even it's not even huge, for this one. So keep an eye on that one. Maybe just one share even. So STOR, this one has been on a run, pulled back, kind of a little deeper than I'd like on this. We need to start seeing a close above here. Get the price needs to move up through that first. Gotta get a higher high, this higher low, higher low, higher low. That's good, but we need to start seeing something break above. We need to see a break above here, and then we need to run the fib from the swing high to the lowest low on the swing low. Yeah, we couldn't hold the 618 right there. We went down again, and we need to get above. Yeah, we got to break firmly above right there. So 35.50 would be my alert, and I want to see it close firmly above 36. 20 area up here, and then that can set us up to run up to 38.49. Yeah, and then the way some of these have been going, we could see 43 on this one. And see 39-cent dividend looks like quarterly on a $35 stock. I mean, that's not bad. So not bad. Dividend yield 4.52%. So all right, that one's one to keep an eye on. VTR, that one looks like a roadmap set up to go lower right now. It's kind of finished off the move up. We're correcting down, so nothing to see there. OHI, that looks like it's going down. MPW, I didn't pre-screen these. I just popped up the list here. So, all right, MPW. Yeah. Looks like kind of on a bigger picture, we're kind of setting up to run higher. A breakout above these highs that we've had here would be super awesome. So it's trying right now. So I'd be one to, basically the bounce was down here, kind of the first alert, not a close above. So this one right here, and then something closing above here, get us to 23, and this thing could run on up to 27 or so. Looks like 4.94% yield on the dividend, 28 cents. That's a pretty good quarter, or is that a monthly dividend? Oh, no, that's a quarterly. Quarterly, yeah, quarterly dividend. 28-cent quarterly dividend on a $22 stock. I mean, that's pretty healthy. So I'm gonna put that one on the list for this week, I think. Let's see, DOC. That's just messy. 5% yield, but it's sideways. I mean, you can make pretty good money just with the sideways, but let's see something trend, like breakout like we had back here, not this consolidation kind of thing. Let's look on SUI. Yeah, that one just bounced. That was set up to go a little bit higher priced. Like I said, you could just buy one share. Yeah, that one's set up to go to 216, 225. So these higher levels, we got only a 1.62% yield on a quarterly, 83 cents. Yeah, one share could be, especially if you're getting started. All right, moving on. INVH, no bounce here. Didn't touch. We kind of got in the vicinity, but it's already on the move higher, and we're already starting to get targets here. So probably skip that one for now. You could put on some alerts to watch for I'll pull back if you wanted to. ACC, yeah. So this is it's been on a run. Came down to the came down right there. So we need to see the 513 cross on a daily. That's number one. So this one's got to come back up through here, back above these pivots, back above this zone right in here. $2,000 price. Probably gonna skip that one for now on the list. Even one share is gonna be a little crazy. So, all right. Next up, PSA. Well, as you can see, came down in the vicinity of the roadmap, and we're already getting out to the targets here. So, not much to do on that one until you get another pullback. Let's see. Moving on down the list. WY. Yeah, this one looks like it could be pretty good right here. We're just right above the 618 resistance. Had a little trouble getting momentum going, but this one could be a pretty good one right here. 1.76% dividend yield. Looks like 17 cents quarterly. Had a bonus dividend 50 cents. 17 cents quarterly. Yeah, that was not too bad. Real estate investment trust. Yeah, looks like it could be set up to go to 44 or 47. Let's put that one on the list here, I think. Let's see, moving on down. Land. Oh, wow, that one's. Yeah, see, here's the roadmap right there. The roadmap bounce. Already up to 272, so you could be looking for a pullback on land. All right, Lamar. Oh, really nice right there. Just setting up for an entry. Yeah, just it pulled back just a hair. But this would be great for some shares. 128, 134. You can see a lot of these get extensions out here. Well, we could be looking for 145 or even higher. I mean, this is just a monster runner right here. It looks like all year been running up. So this would be one to keep an eye on. My fib line right there. So yeah, close above, certainly breaking back through this high it just made would be super bullish. 128, 134. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on the list to watch this week. And if you, oh man, that one looks good too. One nice 1, 2, 3 down to a low, popping back up through. Entry's already here. We need the confirmation. Yeah, just shy of the 618. So breaking through here, right in this zone. Back up through there, and then getting like another confirmation, clearing this high and staying above there. That's bullish for 317, 334, 367. I mean, that one looks like a monster right there. This is one of the strongest, biggest real estate investment trusts out there. 1.87% yield. This is just a monster right here. Real nice looking. So that may be an opportunity to grab a couple shares. All right, safe. It did go a little deeper than I'd like to see. This last pullback stopped kind of right on the roadmap line. This one kind of arced it down a little bit, but it is starting to break back above. So number one, we need to see a close right above there. Close above that, and then confirming the move. It's going to be a move above 85. So right in here, it's your first aggressive entry point. Right above like 70, 750. Break up through. And then confirming with a move up through 85. Keep your stop down here below the lows. Once we get there, stay there, we can see 102. I mean, these are some significant gains from where we are right now. This one paying out 17 cents, 0.89. Getting a little lower on the yield. So anyway, that one has a really nice potential right there for some gains, especially on the stock move, or the stock movement, you'd say. All right, ADC. Well, not the cleanest, but it was down here, kind of broke above. It's been, this one, not a big fast mover, but it does look like it has some potential to break out higher, especially, oh yeah, stop right at the 618, retrace down, like resistance right in that area. So that's going to be the point. Like, if this got bullish, it needs to get above there, definitely above there. Above that kind of area right there where those previous highs were, that sucker could take off, get us some higher prices, and we have this bigger pullback too that's going to show up on the weekly chart and the monthly chart maybe. This pullback, over here. Oh yeah, look at that. 89.92, lining up right in there. So right around that 89 price. And the 100 up here, 102, 103, that one lines up with the confluence right there. So that's really nice right there. This resistance right here need to get broken through right there. So ADC, I'm gonna put that one on the list for the week. Alright, REG. Not quite down to the roadmap line. Zoom it up. It's close, but not. I really like to see something pull back a little more than that. STAG. This one's already taken off. I mean, it didn't quite even get down to the roadmap line. That last pullback already almost reaching the target, extensions. Well, it's already through the first one, second target, third target up there, 49. I mean, I would expect this one to get another pullback. Let's see, EPRT. Oh man, that one's nice. 1, 2, 3 down here. Oh yeah, this one need to see something bullish. Some higher prices up through that level. First thing. Next thing. Yeah, right up. Yeah. Okay. This whole zone is gonna be an aggressive entry confirmation thing right in here. So aggressive entry on a close above here. Confirmation and conservative entry on a close up in there. This area up in here. 34, 37, 41. Those are the upside targets. This thing's yielding 3.72%. Looks like 25 cent quarterly. Wow, that's pretty good on $27, $28, and maybe $30 by the time you wait for the price to prove it to you. That's a pretty healthy looking one right there. All right, so next up, Pine. Oh, this is, look at that, classic bounce, run, bounce. This is really nice on this one too. Pull back right in here, holding the 618 level as a resistance. So same sort of deal right here. This one could be an aggressive entry now. Confirms on a move back above these highs right here. Just right at 19, and this one, and look, 21. Run from 19, 21, 22, 25. I mean, that would be a, what is that, 25% gain right there, while you're also getting paid 27 cents a quarter, a 5.31% yield. I mean, that's a really good opportunity right there if it can prove it and keep on going. Stop right down here below low. So that one also looks super good heading into the new year. All right, that's the list. So let's jump over here and make the market roadmap list for the 26th. So looks like Bxp, PINE, HST, STOR, MPW, SUI, WY, LAMR, AMT, SAFE, ADC, and EPR. Alright, that's going to kind of round out the list this week for stuff to keep an eye on, stuff to watch. And oh, EPR, let's see, did I even talk about that one a second ago? It is a little deep. It's got a three-wave retrace down. I don't have the lines on here. Let's put the lines on here. Yeah, so we need to close back above there. Move back up through here. Confirm. Get some higher prices. 59.64. All right. That's going to do it for the market roadmap this week. Last one of 2021. I'll be back with you in the new year. Remember, you got Discord, you can talk to me. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you again soon.